I take your picture. I take your sister. I want a video of you all around my house. I want a doctor to take your picture so I can look at your penis as well. You got me turning up and turning down and turning in and turning around. Dirty Japanese, I think I'm dirty Japanese. You think so? I'm dirty Japanese, I think I'm dirty Japanese. I really think so. Dirty Japanese, I think I'm dirty Japanese. I really think so. Dirty Japanese, I think I'm dirty Japanese. I really think so. No sex, no drugs, no wine, no women, no fun, no sin, no you, no wonder it starts. Everyone around me is a total stranger. Everyone around me got a total ranger. Everyone. That's why I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Thank you. Domo, arigato. Kumastos ka.
JC, you're a geisha. Pinanindigan mo na, JC. Anong feeling mo? Geisha ka na ngayon.
Samurai naman ko yun.
Oo nga. Yun yung mga geisha, yung mga nasa likod. Oo nga. Mali naman ako doon. Samurai. Samurai ba to? Anong tawag dito?
Ninja.
Ninja. Totoo ba yan? Hindi naman. Anong feeling mo sa yung ginawa ngayong gabi? Kakaiba siya sa mga ginawa mo before, pero like always, ako yung nasusurpresa. How do you feel?
Kasi comfortable ako with 80s song. Kasi
Oo nga.
80s baby.
80s baby.
80s
80s, you know. So, let's ask the judges kung ano ba ang masasabi nila sa iyong geisyang pinakita.
Nakakaingit.
Bakit?
Alis siya yung pagka-geisha niya.
Ikaw, nilabas mo na rin yung pagka-geisha mo kanina, pwede. Okay na yun.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, the real man is secure about his
Geisha-ness?
gayness. Tessa, what can you say about our samurai?
I enjoyed that so much, alam mo. Parang they don't like my outfit, but this outfit was like inspired and designed by a fan of JC. So galing, Andrada. Anyway, parang ako, feeling Japanese anime to match the outfit. I love you. JC, this is really, really fun. I'm sure he's gonna say too much fluff and costume and everything, but that was a really nice production.
Yeah. Production number.
That's the celebration.
Production number.
Yeah.
In terms of production design, it's a winner.
It's a winner.
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 Sabi ni Tessa.
Not a loser, a winner.
Yeah.
Tanungin natin si Direct Fred if it's a winner or a loser.
Production number, Hane. Pero yung mismong pag-aawit niya, alam mo actually, JC, ako I don't agree with them. You know, na you gotta hold back a little bit and everything. Kasi personally, na bali yan eh. No? And you know, sa lahat ng mga kanta na feeling mo before, so far, this is the one that has worked the best for you. Kasi, number one, alam mo ito sa lahat, you're not trying to fake anything here. You're not trying to be Paul Newman, you're not trying to be whoever, Robert Redford, whatever. You're just being yourself, you're having fun, and this is the kind of song that works for you.
And like he said, he's comfortable with 80s songs.
Yung pala yun, kung nahanap ko,
remember, Danny was telling you na masyado mong pinopost na and everything. I agree with that. Pero I don't agree that you should hold back naman too much. Kasi kailangan mahanap ko talaga yung groove mo. Ito yung groove mo eh.
80s songs.
Hindi, go! According to Direct Freddy, nahanap na niya yung kanyang niche.
Niche.
Which is Japanese singing. So you're now a Japanese singer.
That's Japanese.
Next week, Voltes 5 you sing.
Yeah. Yeah, you sing. You try to sing Voltes 5.
Joke lang, joke lang. Patira natin ang sasabihin naman ni Danny.
Ogie, may kompetensya ka na, Japanese.
Oo nga, sabi ko.
Okay.
Sorry, Yogi.
gaya ng sinabi ni Freddy, actually, yung pagkanta mo, yun ang pinakaano namin kung masyado mag-push. Pero performance-wise, okay lang kasi maganda yung energy. Kailangan may energy and you give that, no? Punong-puno ka ng energy. Okay, mag-focus ako sa performance and singing. Para sa akin, it was very choppy. It was a choppy performance. In the sense that, after you finish one line, you stop and you're doing nothing. There's nothing in there. Tapos go to another line, you sing and then pause with, gano'n. So, putol-putol siya. Kailangan fluidity sa performance.
Okay.
Tapos, part ni Alan Kay, nakatayo ka doon, parang hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin, nakatayo ka lang. Walang tension ang body mo. Even if you're not singing, there has to be tension and in character pa rin. And when you're singing, mas lalo in character and with body tension.
Yes,
Okay.
oo.
Mas ano pa, mas...
I-continue niya lang yung character. Oo, yun. Ogie, what can you
Pero,
say?
less sharp ka ngayon. And less flat. Okay.
Nagulat naman ako, Danny. Parang nagulantang naman ako. O, tanungin ko si Ogie, kunwari judges ka, ano masasabi mo sa samurai, pagka-Japanese ni JC ngayong gabi?
Ang ganda. All I can say is, your performance was Ichiban. Ichiban, eh? Ichiban? Uishi. And, like food is very uishi. So, number one for you, number one. Very good. Very good.
Thank you! Thank you, judges, and thank you, JC. Napanood na natin ang 5 natitirang contenders. Napakinggan na rin natin ang ating mga judges. Mga kapuso, it's your turn to decide who will say and who will say goodbye. Kung hindi pa rin kayo nakakapag-decide kung sinong iboboto ninyo, babalikan natin ang mga performances nila ngayong gabi.
Ayun no?
I'm turning Japanese and I'm turning Uishi. Wala, baba, panis ka na. Wala nang Japanese. Ano na, si JC na. Ano po?
That's a very profound song, huh?
Ano po?
I got your picture. I got your picture.
Bingi oh. Eh, saan yung bingi?
Wow. Binibenta pa ba yun ngayon? Ang ganda nung kantang yun, ano? I got your picture. I got your picture. And because of that, I'm turning Japanese.
Meron pa.
Kung mga konsepto, I got your picture. It's picture. You say I love you. You say I love you. And I wrote you too. And now I'm eating. And I'm swimming.
Hindi pa. Si Joey pa eh. Tapos na ba siya? Kumanta na ba siya? Bawal yan. Bawal yan. Ano ba? Ito makakaingat. Hindi ko ito kumakanta, di ba?
Kaya sa gitna yung home speaker.